I always wanted to edit videos, but it's just there's a learning curve basically. And Veed is a solution because it's really easy to learn on Veed. It's not complicated. A lot of majority of things are just drag and drop settings there. It's pretty fun and easy. And now if you decided to create a faceless YouTube channel, to create content for your faceless YouTube channel, you don't want to learn any complicated editing software, I recommend you to use Veed. All right, it's a good solution because, as I said, it's really easy to edit on Veed. So now let's start. So let's jump right into this video. So Veed.io, just create an account, log in your account, and then you can create a theme or you can join one of the themes. But I encourage you to create your own theme. Here you also have theme settings, collaborators, dictionary, privacy, and theme billing. All right, and now here we have templates and brand kit. You can also create a theme space. Click on here on new, and if you want to create a theme space. Now, what about recording? So obviously when you create a tutorial or just a video for your Faceless YouTube channel, you might want to record your screen, which is really easy on this on Veed. It's really easy because you can simply click on record video. You can also click on here, create project. You can also, if you want to create avatar video, I'm going to show you this later on, but now let's click on create project. We want to create a video that is about how to grow a YouTube channel maybe, or we can talk about animals and why people love dogs. Let's say yes, yeah, why people love dogs. All right, we can create a video about this. So to create this, it's really easy. What we can do first is to grab some stock footage. You can use stock footage from here. Here we have media, and here we can upload a file, record, text to speech, which we're gonna need later on. I'm gonna show you how you can add text to speech. And here we can have footage. So I can type dog here, and I can find a lot of pictures, a lot of videos with dogs. And the thing here, you have to remember, you have to upgrade in order to use this tool, but I think it's worth it. Just gonna save you a lot of time, and you don't have to learn a complicated editing software. Now, to grab a video, you can just click on that video, but you'll have to, to upgrade your subscription. And to upgrade your subscription, then what you can do is just to add your video right over here. So for the sake of this video, actually, I'll upload a file. Now, if you want to upload a file, you can just open your folder and just drag and drop and add your video. And you can also click on here, upload a file. Now we have our video. And as I said, you can click on stock footage here on the search button here and search for the exact video you would like to use for this project. All right, this project is about why people love dogs. And now, after you drag all the videos, but before doing that, we need actually a script. So to create a script, we can use ChatGPT. So here, ChatGPT, and I can simply here write a script, YouTube channel that is talking about why people love dogs. Make sure is for a video that is about 10 minutes. or you can also write characters, you know. But now here we have our script. We can wait for this to generate. You can use just copy the entire script. Now we have to verify if there's any plagiarism to this text, to the script, but just make sure even if there's not plagiarism is found in this script, still make sure you edit your script. Just add your own spin to the script, and there is plagiarism found. Make sure you add your own spin to it, your own creative, your ideas. You know, just change some of the things. There you can also use, if you want to automate this process partially, you can use Quillbot, and this is going to rewrite, to paraphrase this script. But still, I still encourage you to actually add and try to learn to change the script, because you also learn a skill, so you learn to change the script. But you have to, or you can also use Quillbot, but still make sure you add some adjustments, because maybe it's too formal, too informal. So yeah, make sure you read the script and change some parts of the script. So here on media, we have text to speech. And what we can do right now is to click on text to speech, paste our script, make sure you upgrade a plan, and then you can simply click on generate. Make sure you select the language and the voice, and we have multiple voices here available, and also casual, happy, excited. You have voice style available. Click on generate. But if you want to add your own voice, you can also click on here voice over and record your own voice reading the script, which is great. Click on here on record, select your microphone, and then you can add the video to your script. Make sure you add a lot of footage, stock footage for each paragraph. So each paragraph is talking, if you're talking about like a dog in a car, make sure it's something that's resembling what you're saying in that paragraph. So it's like a dog in close to a car, so something that is close to that paragraph. You know, for each paragraph you have a image. And then what you can do, and also if you're curious how you can edit part of a video, so you can click on select the video, and then here you can click on split. Now move further ahead and select that portion, you click on split, and now you just right click and select delete. Now you can also split if you right click and move the cursor exactly where you want to split, and you can click on split element. But another way is to actually use the shortcut, which is S, you see here. So move the cursor exactly where you want and click on S. We split this part and click on delete really fast. Now, if you want to change this and you don't want maybe, but if exactly the size, click on YouTube. So you have the exact size, the exact resolution for YouTube. Now here you have also all sorts of sizes for social media. And now if you want to add audio, which I recommend, is go here to even sound effects. You can add, and here stock music, you can click on here on plus and add this audio to your music. Now if you want to add, because now you have audio, you added your audio, now you can click on subtitles, so you can generate a subtitle for your audio. You can generate subtitles for your audio, so click on create subtitles. Now here for text, you also here have a bunch of different text options. Click on double click here, and here you have text. Now elements, if you want to add some elements to your video, you can do it, and it looks really good. So here you can go to elements, and here you have sound waves, progress bar. You can even add an AI avatar, which is good. And now even draw, you can add this. So here you have animation, so you can draw something, and now you have this. Add a fade in, some some animations to your stroke. You can add another layer and then just draw more. So, or you can even create like this, less strokes, change the size. Then here you can add another one. You can change the color from here. So here you have another stroke. So yeah, that's something you can do as well. Now we can right click if you don't want a stroke, or you can click on delete now, or you can click on backspace. All right. Now here we also have templates, and so you can choose from different templates that fits your video. So if your video is about a podcast or marketing, or here you have just some templates available for your video, so this can save you some time. And also, as I said, record. You can record your screen, audio, or screen and audio, and transitions for your video. You can add transition between your cuts. You can add some transitions, and also filter. You can also add color grading if you want to color grade your video, and effects to your video. Double click to on an effect that you like. Select this video, let's say, and go to effects. Here, double click, and I have this effect. You can also add a transition between these videos. So here, now I have a transition. So it's really easy now to edit your videos. If you want something, simple, editing tool to edit, you don't have to also save the space. You don't want to install this onto your machine, so this can save also space. And if you worked on projects, now if you go back, you can also click on done here and just export your video. You can select quality, and you can then export your video. You can click here, go to dashboard, and what's good about this is that you also have all the projects saved on. And if you have a theme, you can send this to your team. You can create here a space, and this can obviously save you also space, and also you can have all the projects online. You just have to connect to your account, and there you can find all the projects you worked on. Now, why you should use Veed? So first, if you, as I said, you have a YouTube channel and you're talking about, you need stock footage, and it's much easier than it's like simply in one place instead of you having to go in a different website and grab some stock footage. You can simply, you have stock footage in one place. So on this platform, Veed, you have all the stock footage. You have all the options to edit fast. So that's one reason why I believe it's a good option for you. If you don't want to create really complicated videos, just some videos that you're talking about something, it's educational, can be funny or entertainment. Entertaining, that video is like talking about maybe dogs or educational, as I said, it's a good option. Now, just remember, I like to mention this. It's gonna take time to build your Faceless YouTube channel. It's not what it seems, and it's actually a lot of work. I always love to mention this, so you have the right expectations. Probably it's gonna take 1 year, 2 year. I rather tell you, apart from telling you, because I don't want to tell you. I want to give you any false hope, or because that you're gonna grow your Faceless YouTube channel really fast. No, it takes time and you need a lot of patience and a lot of work. So just remember that. I just decided to put this at the end of this video, so with the hopes that you're gonna remember this. You need a lot of determination, a lot of discipline, and a lot of time it takes usually to build a YouTube channel, especially if you are at the beginning. I'm not saying if you have the right strategy, if you are a beginner and you already have some experience, it's gonna be much easier, and you can go viral or just grow your YouTube channel in a really short time, probably a few months instead of a year or two. So yeah, just takes time and definitely is not easy. All right. So yeah, that's my personal opinion. Just that it takes time and it's not easy. And yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I really hope you found this tutorial valuable. Thank you so much for watching, and take care.